My name is Rohan. Today I am going to teach you about the discrete mathematics for GATE exam. Its first topic is propositional logic. Now see it, propositional logic is consist of two words. First is proposition and other is logic. What is proposition? It is a declarative sentence that is declaring a fact or stating an argument which can either true or false but cannot be both at a time. I have said at a time it is very important term in this. Now for its better understanding, now look at its example. Its first example is Delhi is the capital of India. So it is true at a time. So it is a proposition. Water froze this morning. This statement is also true at a time. So it is also a proposition. Sorry. Its third statement is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. It is also a true at a time, so it is also a proposition. Sentences which are not a proposition. What time is it? It is an interrogative sentence, not a declarative sentence, so it is also a proposition. X plus 1 is equal to 2. It is true or a false at a time, so it is not a proposition because x can take any value. It can be real number or integers, so it is true or a false at a time. It is not a true at a time or not neither false at a time, so it is not a proposition. Send us your resume before 11 p.m. It is just kind of sentence we are giving an order to someone. Fetch my umbrella. It is also a sentence which is similar to previous one. So these two sentences 3 and 4 are not a proposition. Now look at more examples. London is in Denmark. It is false at a time, so it is a proposition. Do your homework. We are giving an order to someone or requesting something from someone, so it is also not a proposition. Now look at its third example. India wins the match by 2 runs. It can either be true or a false at a time, so it is also not a proposition. Now moving sorry now moving to the second page. Now look at fourth example. X is an even number. It can either be true or a false at a time, so it is also not a proposition. Now for more for sorry now look at propositional logic. It is a statement logic. What is propositional logic? Area of logic that studies ways of joining or modifying proposition, and it also includes the logical relationship between two propositions. For its better understanding, now understand it by example. What is propositional logic? Now look at the first statement. It is a Adam is good in playing football. Second statement is Adam is good in playing football, and this time he is representing his college at a national level. So here end is joining the two propositions with logical connectivity. So here our end is joining two proposition with logical connectivity. Now look at more example. I enjoy watching television. It is not the case that I enjoy watching television. In the fourth statement, we are denying for something. We are denying for the our previous one sentence. So it is not the case. It is modifying the statement using negation part. Negation, yeah, negation means we are denying for something. See, simple. Now moving to the next page. So here one important question is why we need compound proposition. We need compound proposition because most of the mathematical statements are constructed by combining one or more than one proposition. When we combine one or more proposition, then it is said to be a compound proposition. There is a propositional variable in computer science, or we represent the proposition by some variables, so we can apply any logical thing between two proposition used to, so what is so propositional variable is used to represent proposition. There are six logical operators. First is negation, second is conjunction, third is disjunction, fourth is exclusive or, fifth is implication, sixth is biconditional. We discuss each and every logical operator in detail is in our next video. Thank you friends. If you if you found this video is very helpful for your gate preparation or any other computer science exams, so like this channel and subscribe it, and share with your friends, and also press the bell icon for its latest notification for getting this type of video. Again, thank you.